I'm not going to move until you say it can.
Santa has a CCW?
Yes, sir. You have to.
Times are rough.
You got to protect me.
Are you... what's the last name? Yeah, so, you know why I'm stopping you?
I was looking down, I didn't even check.
Okay,
I have no clue.
So I had... Speed limit is 55.
Yep.
There's a lot of deer out here, a lot of people that are pulled right out in front of you, so your reaction time is not as good as 55, correct? Santa, do you have your driver's license out?
Can I get out?
You sure can. Where you guys headed?
Right here to Delta. My daughter works with her boss wants me to come up and do Santa for
Oh, cool.
Can unlock it. Santa's 100-some years old, you know.
Oh my gosh. This is a video of the night.
You know what's funny? I just left Berkey.
There goes my
We
presents.
just left Berkey and the sheriff was... Are you good? The sheriff was in Berkey, are you?
No.
We just seen the sheriff there sitting in park in the fire department.
No, you're in Fulton County now, so...
Yeah, he went by him and pulled in and waved in and we got a kick out of it.
Cool.
Yeah, I wasn't even paying attention. I was looking at that new thing my daughter put on the car and some of the fuel in it.
We just had so many accidents.
You're right, my son just got a big book here on County Road
Yeah.
too.
Whoops. Here's this.
This way. Yeah.
All right.
Sorry,
David, you still reside here?
Moved to
Okay. Good. Okay. Just slow your speed down a little. I mean, Santa. Slow your
Get Rudolph on you.
It's Nick, you know.
You don't mind if we get a picture? She gets a picture with you.
No!
Right.
Good. Whoops. Hold on, man.
Oh, yeah, you don't drop that. Get your picture camera.
Let me find my... I'll use this phone. Here, get your camera.
Sorry about that.
These glasses aren't any good for me.
Yeah, they're not readers. They're just... I can't see. Hey, cookies and cream!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
You don't mind on post on Facebook, do you? You okay with that?
I'm good. You're good. You're good. I'm going to give you my card, and it has my email on it. Would you send that to me?
Yeah, definitely. I appreciate you get cutting your break.
Oh, not a problem.
I look right there. The daughter put something on here. We can't figure out what she did with the gas mileage went below the zero. Something to do with the fuel tank, and it goes over and it starts beeping. I don't know what she did to it.
I'll get this to
Yeah,
you.
send that to me.
Okay, I'll put it in the back of my pocket now.
Put her back. You're all ready, man.
I'm not carrying anyway. Too many $100. I got to protect Rudolph.